In this video we will discuss about writing data into the files. The open method is used to open the file. If we want to write data to the files, then the file must be opened first. The different modes which can be used to write the data into the files are: first is the character W, which represents write operations. It opens an existing file for a write operation. If the file is not present at the location mentioned in the program, then it will create a new file. If the file is present and it contains data, then all of its content will be completely overwritten before writing new data into the file. Second is the character A, which represents append operations. It opens an existing file for append operation. The data is appended into the existing file. The existing data present in the file is not overwritten with new changes. The data is added after the existing data. Let's test the file write and append operations using a program. A file named FileWrite1.csv is opened for write operation. This file is not present in the directory. This means that it will get created when we execute the program. A list X is added with 3 values as hello, file operation, and writing to a file. At the end of all elements \n is added as we want to print all these 3 elements in separate lines. A string is also defined with value as CSV file. Now to write the list to a file we will have to use the WriteLines method. Whereas for writing strings we should use the write method. Finally, the file operation is being closed. When executed, we can see that a new file has been created in the directory. The file contains all the data that we had tried writing using the program. Changing the string value by adding 1 at the end of string. Executing the program again. We can see that it has truncated and written fresh data again in the file. Changing the mode of the file from write to append. And also modifying the string value from 1 to 2. Executing the program again. This time we can see that the new data is appended in the file instead of existing data getting overwritten. Hello is coming in the same line as string, as the new line character is not added before the hello word. Adding the new line and executing the program again. This time we can see that the hello word is printed in new line. If we want to read the data in the file once it's written, we can use the read method to print the file data. Opening the file again for read operation. Adding print statement to print the complete content of the file using read operation. Finally, closing the read operation. When executed, we can see that, because the file is in write mode, so again it has truncated the data and rewritten the new contents. The same has been printed using the read operation on the file. So, this is how we can write the data to files in Python.